Welcome back to Barley and Hops. I'm George. Today I just want to do a real short one on availability of videos and information. Now, we are overwhelmed, and I know that there is so much information on this channel. So what we've done is we've made some playlists. And you'll see those in some of these cards that'll pop up on screen, which are links to the playlists. Or you can go to the YouTube channel itself and you can find the playlist. Now, what we've done is we've taken the 140 some odd videos that we have and we've actually bunched them together in like chapters in a book, which are called playlists. And we've given them titles like winemaking, beer making, distilling accessories and tips, selecting stills, heating stills and elements, winemaking tips. We've done all of this and we've put them in there so that whatever it is your pleasure, you don't have to sift through all those other things to get to it. We're trying to make it as easy as possible for you to get to there. So, until next time, whatever it is that you like to do, if it makes you happy, keep doing it. But other than that, happy distilling, happy brewing, or happy winemaking.